Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a modern PowerPoint template. So let's start. But first, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like these. So first of all, open up a blank slide. Now go to Insert and go to Shapes and add a rectangle onto the entire slide. Now add another triangle right here. Increase its size like this and move it upwards. Now intersect both the shapes, cut the remaining part and go to shapes and insert this shape right here. There you go. Select both the shapes and go to merge and fragment and remove the remaining part. Now go to align and rotate it. Now go to shapes and add a rectangle. Rotate it, move it right here onto the shape, increase its size. Now select both the shapes and merge and fragment them. Remove the remaining parts. There you go. Go to Insert and Shapes and add another rectangle. Rotate it. Move it right here onto this shape. Increase its size. Now select them and go to Merge and merge them. There you go. Remove the remaining parts. Now right click on the shape and copy it and paste it onto another slide. Paste it 2 times and select both the shapes and merge them. Take this part and paste it onto the first slide. Onto the shape right here. Adjust it. Now move it upwards. There you go. Go to Insert tab and add another rectangle onto the bottom of the slide. Now edit points. There you go. Go to this slide and cut the shape and add a rounded cornered rectangle. Rotate it. Paste it several times. Select all of these and group them. There you go. Add another rectangle right here, rotate it, move it right here onto the shape, ungroup those shapes, select all of them and go to merge and fragment. There you go. Now copy it and paste it onto the first template. A rectangle right here, rounded corner rectangle. Now you have to rotate it, put it right onto the left side, duplicate it and increase the duplicated rectangle size. Now add a text box right here and add your text. There you go. Now bold them, select them and give them spacing and increase their size. Bold them, change their font. As you can see, there are many various different fonts. You can choose any of them as you want. Change the text color. Move it to the left side and change the second text color. Go to Insert tab and add a photo. There you go. Now cut it and go to Format Shape, Picture, Texture Fill and paste the color and picture. Now select all of these shapes, go to Picture or Texture Fill and paste the shape. Now go to Crop and put the shape into the shape. There you go. Now change the color of this shape to white. That's it. Select all of the shapes and remove their outline. Select the text and move it upwards and change the color. There you go. I'm going to change it again to brown color. There you go. Now add the text onto the first slide. This is going to be the body of the slide. Now go to Insert and add this rectangle right here. Change its color to yellow. There you go. Now go to Insert tab and now go to Icons and add an icon. There you go. Decrease its size and put it into the rectangle. Select both the rectangle and the icon and group them. There you go. Now paste this shape right here. You have to duplicate the icon and the shape. Now copy the text and open up a blank slide into which add a rectangle and rotate it. There you go. Duplicate it several times. Select all of them. Adjust them. That's it. Now paste it onto the first slide and put it onto the first slide. Rotate it a little bit to adjust it. Now paste it and decrease its size and put it right here onto the bottom of the slide. Now adjust all the shapes. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and like the video. And don't forget to comment down